You just love it when somebody who barely knows their way around a camera claims they have the secret to transforming you into the next Ansel Adams. Boy, have we got a treat for you. Hey there, photographers. Feeling like you just can't take a good picture to save your life? We've all been there. But have I got the perfect solution for you? Introducing the incredible, mind-blowing, fast track to photography mastery program. Behold the amazing magic formula for instant photography success. It's just one sip and wham! You will be winning Pulitzer Prizes left, right and centre. So what's this all about? Well, step 1, find a messy room filled with leftover pizza boxes, dirty laundry and, of course, your mum's vintage 70s lava lamp. Now, trust us, this sets the perfect ambience for your artistic journey. Step 2, well, you're going to need to get yourself a ridiculously expensive, outdated camera. One that's got more buttons and dials on than the cockpit of an F-16 fighter jet. Because remember, bigger, my friends, is always better. Now, step 3. Master the art of striking the most absurd poses while holding a lens that's longer than a giraffe's neck. And now, the more people you elbow in the face while you're carrying this whopper, the better. Step 4 will be to conquer nature's elements. Prove your dedication to photography by embracing gale force winds while standing on a hill, with a camera, of course, that costs more than a small island. And step 5, flaunt your newfound skills and your love of luxury. Show off your expertise by taking pictures by exotic sports cars. That'll make everybody take you seriously, trust me. And voila, just like that, you've instantly morphed yourself into a photography legend. Forget the years of practice, experimenting and honing of your craft. Well, our magic formula is the shortcut to success. You don't need any of that hard work. Hard work's for losers. But hey, before anybody starts actually believing this, let's be real for a moment. The truth is, photography is something you can't master overnight. It takes time, unfortunately, practice and genuine passion for capturing moments. So here's a warning. The next time you find yourself bombarded with ads promising instant photography genius, remember that the real art lies in the journey, not a 5-minute magic formula. Keep at it, keep making mistakes and keep working and keep learning. So my advice is, whenever you see those ads for somebody offering to teach you everything you need to know to become a master photographer, then here's the trick. Always double check. Have a look through the video and see, are they selling something? Pretty much guarantee they are.